700 exercise number 1 first half. Ready? The young man and the young woman looked even younger than their years as they left the offices of country properties limited with a few orders to view in their hands. First up, they were indeed two young people very much in love and recently married, and they were looking for a house. First up, they had been married for just 6 months, and when they got married on that cold December day, they had believed that they would soon find a place to let, and it did not seem necessary to wait for that happy day before setting up home together. First up, so they had gone to live with his mother, having only one room of their own, and they had been very happy. First up, it was an old house, however, with no modern changes. First up, it was in a street lined on both sides with old houses just like it, and when April had come and the days grew longer, the young married people all at once began to long for a little house of their own, with their own things in the rooms, and with a little land at the back and in the front where they could plant things and watch them grow. First up, it did not seem very much to ask, yet it was something that was being asked by thousands of the other young people. First up, there seemed little enough hope of their being able to get such a place, because all the small houses were for sale and not to let, and they had no capital. First up, well, the young man was an engineer and a beautiful young person with eyes so clear and true, had been a maid in a big boarding house at the seaside before her marriage. First up, neither of them had had any opportunity to save money and to buy even the smallest house. It was necessary to have some capital to put down for the first payment. First up, there had been times during that month of April when May thought that Will had lost interest in her. First up, he sat so often deep in thought and without speaking. First up, 700. Exercise number 1. Ready? Undertaking it believed that the workers themselves who had to do the work might probably be able to think of ways and means of improving methods. First up, the first prize was to be if the best suggestion put forward seemed worth that sum. First up, so Will had thought and had put in his own ideas for the improvement of methods. First up, the following day he told me the employees were to learn who had won the prizes. First up, May put her hands in his, for she saw that he cared very much, that he had high hopes, but she could not help feeling that the would never be theirs. First up, she was wrong. First up, Will won the prize and his suggestions were considered to be so outstanding that the directors of the company had marked him down as a man worth watching. First up, so on that lovely day in June, Will and May had some houses to look over, houses in the country with rooms with a view. First up, the first of the houses turned out to be much too large. First up, the house was cheap, but it was old and would need much money spent on it before it would be any good at all. First up, the second house on the other hand was too small. First up, it was a pleasing little place, very clean and well planned, but far too small. First up, May was beginning to have a heavy heart. First up, perhaps even with the money in the bank, it would still be impossible for them to get a house to meet their requirements, and their requirements she believed were so simple. First up, they walked to the third house. First up, it was a little way out of the small market town of the principal street, and the road leading to it had not been made up. First up, they had to walk carefully in order not to fall into the many holes that were in the road. First up, dear, this is no good, thought May, and then they saw the house. First up, set well back from the road. It was placed by itself in a wide piece of land. First up, it was white, and the windows and doors were covered with clean blue paint. First up, the windows were low and long, and the rooms inside were clean and light. First up, the grounds had been well cared for. First up, what a wonderful place. First up, May cried, and she knew that she must leave her married life